Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is August 7th, 2014. Me and Pepper are up here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, running some more old motors. We brought 5 of them with us tonight, and hopefully we can get through them all. We're going to start here tonight with this one here. This one here came from the A.O.M.C.I meet in Tomahawk, Wisconsin, and it is an Uggo. I actually bought it for a parts motor, and started to part it out, and kind of decided that, you know, the power head was in such nice shape, I figured, you know, we'll just put it back together. So that in turn became a big project. I ended up having to put 1 new coil in it, clean and adjust the points, 1 new condenser, new water pump impeller. The gear case was no good, so I used gear case, resealed the gear case, new water pump impeller, and cleaned the carburetor. So anyway, we'll give you a little demonstration on this one. We're going to call this the Uggo. Brand new water pump in it today, and we're in forward. I don't know who painted this thing, but should have had his paintbrush taken away, and he should have been put in a corner. Also did have to take apart the fuel pump on it and clean that up. I think it's a 61 or maybe a 62 Evinrude Fisherman. Another buddy of mine decided to come up here today. Captain Tags on YouTube. He's out here running around too. Reverse. And back into forward. It's absolutely quiet as can be power head on it. Settles right down like a little sewing machine. Sit there and do that all day. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.